Jaydev Mystery, and this is an instrument that I've created based around a guitar. I did it as part of my MA at Huddersfield University, and basically it's an ergonomically designed guitar which has sensors placed around the strings where the right hand playing position is, which allows me to trigger sounds as well as playing the strings as well. And just to give you an example of some sounds. And these sounds are actually being triggered off the computer software. And what this allows me to do is play guitar lines, as well as other sounds at the same time. But what I'm also capable of doing is playing back samples. So I've sampled the harmonics off the guitar itself, and I've placed them into a software sampler. These are multi-samples, and I can play them off the pads. I can layer up sounds and sounds, and you know, you're only limited by the amount of processing power you've got on your computer, so you could create huge sounds. Another aspect of the instrument is I'm a percussionist, and I wanted to be able to play percussion sounds on the guitar.